Hi guys, it's Friday morning, October 14th, 2022. Looking at the Astro Excel chart right here, the 30-minute chart, you can see the week is tracked pretty well. We hit this low on the green line yesterday, the one I had mentioned in the video, at about the 10:30 area, or the 10 o'clock area. Got the push down to that low, and then the green line is reversed upward and it's going to be up through the day. You can see both lines are in sync right now for the rest of the trading day today. I think yesterday when I commented on the Astro Excel chart, I had mentioned it was going to go down through Friday. That was just a mental inversion. It should have been up, but if you'd seen the prior videos from the week, you knew that already. So we have an upward bias today, but we are in a downtrending market, so use that accordingly. Let me flip over to the Vedic chart. Here's the Vedic Trend chart. You can see yesterday we had these windows. We're inside this bigger green window on the A3. That brought in both a low and a high. The white window to the left of the chart there with the first red rectangle. We had a low at the time, right at the very beginning of the window. Then as the morning progressed, we had the CPI report come out at 8:30, and that dropped the market into that nice move down there that culminated in our green A2 timing window, which with the trend chart, the Astro Excel chart, that gave a perfect setup to get long, and that went right up to my first price line. Now these are my new price lines for today. The only one that stayed from yesterday was this one here, where that price was hit and triggered the little ABC down move. So that gave you a really nice initial first target. Okay, so now the activity picks up. We're still bullish through the day. Now you can see how the price lines for today are acting. You can see that the market has been contained at these first two levels in the early part of the morning and then late last night. So now I've given you a high and a low level, which are going to be very strong bands. This line down low here is nothing, so don't pay attention to that level. It's just an extra line on the chart. We did make a low in this white window here early this morning around 5 o'clock. You can see right on the line we started up. We did a little retest, and we had a spike retest failure right here just outside the window, but for all intents and purposes the low came in right there, and then we've been trading up since then, bouncing around these two levels here still. When one of these levels is breached, we are going to go to that next price line and most likely bounce from there. So those are some those lines that I put on these charts. These are tradable price levels. You can take trades off of those lines. They're that good. Okay, that's it for today. We'll be back over the weekend. We'll take a look at what the trend looks like for next week on the Astro Excel. The Astro Excel's been really accurate, holding well the last couple weeks. See if we can keep that going.